Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can customize the appearance of your streaming dashboard on Kik. So let us guide you through this. So guys, let me just close these tabs here. So what you will need to do is navigate to the Kik application via web, for instance, or a browser, log into it, click into your profile icon, log into it, of course, into your account. And what you want to do is, let me just navigate back to my channel. And from here, you will need to access your creator dashboard. So to do that, click into your profile icon, and from here you will see the option creator dashboard. Now, here you can set up your stream, watch the stats and so on and so forth, the chat here, and here to the right, guys, you will see a pencil icon. Add it, click into it, and here you will be given the opportunity to remove, for example, these parts here or modules of your creator dashboard. If you don't want to see them, you can do the same here for these channel action, stream info. Click into that X button to remove these, confirm by clicking into that button, or you can reset your dashboard to default. Click into reset and then confirm. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.